Hello, and welcome to Practice English Daily, the podcast that helps you learn English one conversation at a time. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Eric. We are so happy you are here to practice with us today.
Going to the doctor can be a little scary, especially in a new language. But don't worry. Today, we are going to make it easy. We will learn the important words and phrases you need for a visit to the doctor.
That's right. We will help you feel confident and prepared. We will go slow and we will repeat everything. You can do it.
And before we start, if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like or subscribe button. It helps other learners find us.
Okay, are you ready to begin, Jessica?
I am. Let's get started.
Okay, so the first step, you feel sick. You need to see a doctor. What do? You need to call the doctor's office.
Exactly. When you call, you need to ask for a time to see the doctor. This is called making an appointment. Let's say that together. Making an appointment.
An appointment. An appointment is a specific time you agree on. For example, an appointment on Monday at 10 a.m.
When the person at the doctor's office answers the phone, you can say this magic phrase. Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
Let's break that down. I would like is a very polite way to say I want. It's very good to use in formal situations, like at a doctor's office.
It is. And then to make an appointment. So altogether, I would like to make an appointment.
Okay, let's listen to a very short dialogue. You are the patient. The other person is the receptionist. The receptionist is the person who works at the front desk. Listen.
Hello, Dr. Allen's office?
Hello? I would like to make an appointment.
Great! Did you hear that? The patient used our key phrase. Let's listen again. This time, try to say the patient's line with them.
Hello, Dr. Allen's office?
Hello? I would like to make an appointment.
Good job! You are already practicing. Now, after you say that, the receptionist will ask you some questions.
They might ask, what is the reason for your visit?
Reason. That's a good word. The reason is why you are visiting. Why do you need to see the doctor?
You can answer with a simple sentence. For example, I have a cold. I have a sore throat. I have a headache.
Let's talk about those. A cold is when you are sneezing and have a runny nose. Achoo!
Yes, a sore throat is when your throat hurts. It's red and feels bad when you swallow.
And a headache is when your head hurts. Ouch!
So you can say, I have a sore throat. Let's practice. I am the receptionist. Eric, you are the patient. Hello, Dr. Allen's office.
Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
Okay, what is the reason for your visit?
I have a sore throat.
See? Very simple. Eric did a great job.
Thank you, Jessica. Next, the receptionist will ask about a day and time. They might say, what day is good for you? Or, is Tuesday okay?
You can answer, yes, Tuesday is good. Or, no, sorry, is Wednesday okay?
Then they will ask about the time. What time is good for you? Or, is 2 p.m. okay?
You can answer, yes, 2 p.m. is perfect. Or, I'm sorry, I am busy. Is 3 p.m. okay?
Perfect. Now, let's put it all together. We will listen to a full phone call. Listen carefully to the patient's answers.
Hello, Dr. Allen's office?
Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
Of course. What is the reason for your visit?
I have a bad cough.
I see. Okay. What is your name, please?
My name is Maria Lopez.
Thank you, Maria. Is Thursday a good day for you?
Yes, Thursday is good.
Okay. We have an opening at 11 a.m. Is that time okay?
Yes, 11 a.m. is perfect.
Great. We will see you on Thursday at 11 a.m.
Thank you. Goodbye.
That was a great example. The patient, Maria, was very clear and polite.
Yes, she was. And the receptionist asked for her name. That is very important. You will always need to give your name.
Let's listen to that phone call one more time. This time, imagine you are Maria. Try to whisper her lines. Let's practice.
Excellent work. You have now learned how to make an appointment. That is a very big step.
Okay, so you have your appointment. It is Thursday at 11 a.m. You go to the doctor's office. What do you do now?
You need to check in. Checking in means telling the receptionist that you are here for your appointment.
You walk to the front desk and talk to the receptionist. You can say, "Hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Allen at 11 a.m."
Let's break that down. I have an appointment. This tells them you are here for your scheduled time. Then you say the doctor's name, with Dr. Allen, and a time, at 11 a.m.
Let's listen to a short example of checking in.
Hello, how can I help you?
I have an appointment with Dr. Allen at 11 a.m. My name is Maria Lopez.
Great! Did you hear that? The patient used our key phrase. Let's listen again. This time, try to say the patient's line with them.
I have an appointment with Dr. Allen at 11 a.m. My name is Maria Lopez.
Wonderful. You are speaking so clearly. Now, the receptionist will probably ask for two things, your ID card and your insurance card.
What are those, Jessica?
That's a great question, Eric. Your ID card is a card with your name and photo. It shows who you are. A driver's license or a passport are examples of ID cards.
Okay, an ID card shows your identity. And an insurance card?
Your insurance card is from your health insurance company. It helps pay for the doctor. The receptionist will say, "Can I see your ID and insurance card, please?"
And you can say, "Yes, here you are," and you give them the cards.
Exactly. After they take your information, they will say, "Thank you. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you soon."
Have a seat is a polite way to say sit down. So you go to the waiting room and sit.
That's it. Let's listen to the full check-in conversation.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I have an appointment with Dr. Allen at 11 a.m. My name is Maria Lopez.
Thank you, Maria. Can I see your ID and insurance card, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Okay, everything looks good. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you.
That was perfect. Simple and clear. You have checked in for your appointment. You are doing a fantastic job.
This is the most important part. A nurse will call your name, Maria Lopez, and you will follow them to a small room. Then you wait for the doctor.
The doctor will come in and say hello. They will probably ask one of these two questions. What seems to be the problem? How are you feeling today?
Both of these questions mean the same thing. Why are you here? Tell me what is wrong.
So, how do you answer? This is when you need to describe your symptoms. A symptom is what you feel when you are sick.
The easiest way to describe your symptoms is to use the phrase, "I have a," or "my hurts."
Let's look at some examples with I have a. I have a headache. My head hurts. I have a stomach ache. My stomach hurts. I have a fever. My body feels very hot. I have a cough. The sound you make when your throat is sick. Cough, cough. I have a sore throat. My throat hurts. I have a runny nose. Liquid is coming from your nose.
Those are all very common. You can also use "my hurts." This is great for body parts. For example, my back hurts, my ear hurts, my leg hurts.
Let's practice. Imagine the doctor asks you, what seems to be the problem? Listen to how the patient answers.
Hello, Maria. I'm Dr. Allen. What seems to be the problem?
Hello, doctor. I have a sore throat and a cough.
Simple and direct. The patient used "I have a." Let's try another one.
Hello, come in. How are you feeling today?
Not so good. My back hurts a lot.
Great! The patient used my back hurts. You can use these phrases for almost anything. You are improving already.
The doctor will listen and then ask more questions. They might ask, "Where does it hurt?" You can point to the place on your body and say, "It hurts here."
They might also ask, when did it start? This means, what day did you start feeling sick? You can answer simply, yesterday, 2 days ago, on Monday.
Let's listen to a longer conversation with the doctor.
Hello, Maria. I'm Dr. Allen. What seems to be the problem?
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well. I have a headache and a fever.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did it start?
It started yesterday morning.
Okay, let me take a look. Does your throat hurt?
No, my throat is okay, just my head hurts.
Okay, it sounds like you have the flu. I am going to give you a prescription.
A prescription. That's a new word. What is a prescription, Jessica?
A prescription is a paper from the doctor that lets you buy special medicine at a pharmacy. The doctor writes down the medicine you need.
So the doctor gives you a paper, a prescription, and you take it to the pharmacy to get medicine.
That's exactly right. The doctor will say, you need to take this medicine 2 times a day, or take 1 pill in the morning and 1 pill at night.
It's very important to listen carefully to the doctor's instructions about the medicine. If you don't understand, it is okay to ask. Can you please repeat that?
Yes, that is a very important phrase. It is always okay to ask for help. Doctors want to help you.
So you talk to the doctor, you have your prescription, and your visit is over. You go back to the receptionist to finish, and then you can go to the pharmacy.
You did it! You survived a trip to the doctor's office in English. We knew you could do it.
Wow, that was a lot of new English. You did an amazing job today. Seriously, give yourself a pat on the back.
You really did. It's not easy, but practicing helps so much. Let's quickly review the most important phrases we learned today.
Okay, first, for making an appointment, you can say, I would like to make an appointment.
When you arrive, you can say, I have an appointment at time with doctor name.
When the doctor asks what is wrong, you can say, I have a headache, fever, cough.
Or you can say, my hurts. My back hurts, my ear hurts.
These 4 phrases will help you so much. You can write them down and take them with you to the doctor. It's okay to have a little help.
It is absolutely okay. The most important thing is to communicate. And every time you practice, you get better and better.
And now for our fun community question. We love hearing from our listeners all over the world.
Today's question is simple. We want to know, what time do you wake up?
For example, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. My quick breakfast is coffee and toast.
I wake up at 7 a.m. My quick breakfast is a banana. What about you? Tell us in the comments section on our website or on social media.
We love to read your answers. It helps us feel connected to all of you.
Thank you so much for listening to Practice English Daily. We hope this episode was helpful for you.
Yes, thank you. Keep practicing every day. Even 5 minutes is great. You are doing wonderful work. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.